Linear equation is a simple math mystery. You just find out the value of x and then you understand how the equation grew. Let's dive in and learn how the equation works step by step easily. First I tell what is the linear equation. 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Today I teach you linear equation in one variable. In the linear equation, it's maybe two variable. But first I tell what is a linear equation. Look, this is an equation. Here one variable is there. And why it is called the linear equation? If you solve this equation and put the value in the graph, it's make a straight line. So it is called the linear equation. Okay? And look, 3x plus 7y is equal to, suppose it is 28. It is also a linear equation. Here x and y, there are two variables. Now I tell another one. 2x square plus 5x is equal to 2. Is it a linear equation? No, it is not a linear equation. Why? Because look, you check it. Here the power of the x is x square. In the linear equation, the variable is always power 1. No 2, no 3. But here, there is the power, the variable power is 2. So, it is not a linear equation. It is called quadratic equation. Clear? Now, I solve one by one equation. Number 1. 5x plus 7 equal to 2x minus 8. Now I solve it. You just x, where is the x means where there is a variable, you take it to one side. 5x minus 2x minus 8 and shift the 7 minus 7. 5x minus 2x. It is 3x. You write all. And it is minus plus. Means minus 15. Because 8 is a bigger number. So minus 15. Or x is equal to minus 15 by 3. It is 5. X is equal to minus 5. It is our answer. X is equal to minus 5. I solve one linear equation. Here there is one variable. Next I go to the next maths. Number 2. 3x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 2x plus 1. 3x plus 2 by 3 equal to 2x plus 1. What I am doing? Previous one, what I am doing? The x part, the variable part, put it one side. So I can write 3x minus 2x equal to 1. And shift this number part, this right side, minus 2 by 3. Accordingly, do this one. 3x minus 2x means x. And how I do? You take the 3 LCM. 3 minus 2 or x is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 3. It is our answer. Clear? Number 3. Number 3 maths. 3x plus 5, 2x plus 1 equal to 1 by 3. 3x plus 5 by 2x plus 1 equal to 1 by 3. What is the procedure? You just cross multiplication. You just cross multiplication do. Then 3 into 3x plus 5. 1 into 2x plus 1. 3 into 3x means 9x. 9x plus 15. 2x plus 1. Then what you are doing? The x part, the variable part in one side. Means 9x minus 2x. 1 minus 15. 7x is equal to minus 14. X is equal to minus 14 by 7. It is 2. X is equal to minus 2. It's our answer. X is equal to minus 2. It is our answer. Next, number 4 maths. It is some critical math. So please focus in properly. Number 4. 2 by 5x minus 5 by 3x is equal to 1 by 50. 2 by 5x minus 5 by 3x is equal to 1 by 50. Look here, the variable that it is a fraction form and the variable is down. In that case, what you are doing? 3x and 5x, you find out the LCM. LCM equal to 15x. Clear? Then how can you do? You write 15x into 2 by 5x minus 15x into 5 by 3x means you multiply every numbers by the LCM equal to 1 by 15 into 15x. Now make it simple. It is 3, x cancel. It is 5, x cancel. And it is x. Means what I am writing? 6 minus 25 is equal to x. Clear? 6 minus 25, it is 19. And 25 is a bigger number, so I write sign, take the sign. Minus 19 is equal to x. Then what's the result? X is equal to minus 19. It is our result. Okay? What is it? It is very important maths. From the one variable, linear equation in one variable, its mass is very important. Why it is important? Because look, in the previous 3 maths, all the x is upside, but it is a fraction and the x is downside. In that case, what you are doing? You first do find out the LCM and multiply all the numbers by the LCM. Okay? If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.